Welcome to our video on HR analytics careers and job opportunities. Are you ready to dive into a world where data meets human resources? The HR analytics market size is growing at a CAGR of 12.89% to reach USD 7.01 billion by 2028. Right now, the HR analytics job market in India is booming with over 49,000 openings listed on Naukri.com alone. But that's not all. At global level, there are 26,612 opportunities waiting on Dice.com and over 28,000 on Indeed portal. Exciting, isn't it? Keep watching this video till the end for free bonus, as we explore the fascinating world of HR analytics and discover the abundance of career paths waiting for you in this dynamic field. The good news is, no coding or maths knowledge required, and anyone either graduate or postgraduate can learn this skill to start career as HR analyst. HR analytics is rapidly changing the way HR policies work in any organization. If you're wondering why that's important, analytics helps an HR professional to make better decisions using data, test the effectiveness of business cases created for HR interventions, become tactical, and be a strategic partner. HR analytics has become crucial over the last few years, which is why more companies are looking for skilled HR professionals who can take up responsibilities within an organization, make better and efficient decisions for the betterment of the company, report data to predict actions, and suggest logical solutions to problems. There is a high demand of HR analysts in the industry who can utilize the skills of a data without losing the human touch. The profession is in a growing need of people who have the enthusiasm and knowledge in this field, since there is a huge demand of HR analytics experts that can help the organizations with their knowledge. People are now opting for our courses that help them to be the best in this domain. Here are top 4 reasons why you should think about learning HR analytics. You get to make improved hiring decisions. If you are thinking about taking up human resource as a career, or if you're already in the field as an HR professional, having knowledge about HR analysis can take you to new heights. HR analysts analyze the existing compiled data that the organization possesses, which makes them aware of the skills required from an employee for the specific role. With the help of analytics, HR analysts learn more about the candidates and their background, thereby assisting them to select better candidates. You get to help employees to increase their performance. HR analytics helps to improve the employee training programs with the use of data collected from the organization, thereby determining suitable training programs that can develop employee skills. Surveys can be conducted that help HR analysts to gain information about the reasons why an employee leaves a company. After analyzing the information, HR analysts use it to increase employee retention and boost the employee's morale. You get to help the organization to grow. Training programs are essential for the development of the employees, which results in making a positive impact on the organization. However, some poor decisions and substandard processes of training can lead to unsuccessful outcomes and can increase the budget, thereby costing the company gravely. HR analysts are an asset to the HR team who can make better use of the data and analytics, thereby increasing the employee's performance and taking the company to new heights. You get an influential and secure position. The position of HR analysts in an organization is not only a sound position, but is also very influential. They have in-depth knowledge about the challenges faced by the companies and have a deep understanding about the requirements of the organization. HR analysts make high-level decisions that are strategically focused with the use of data and analytics, giving significant impact to the organization. HR analytics makes the best of data without losing focus on the human values. As the industry is booming right now, it is the best time to consider HR analytics as a career. Let's discuss salary differentials between fresher and experienced professionals is crucial for navigating the job market effectively. In India, freshers entering the field can anticipate salaries ranging from 7 to 9 lakhs per annum, whereas those with experience can command significantly higher figures, ranging from 25 to 40 lakhs annually. Globally, freshers embarking on their HR analysis journey can expect around 70,000 USD per annum, while experienced professionals can see their salaries soar to approximately 150,000 USD annually. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, HR analytics jobs are increasing, and organizations need this talent for making informed decisions and increase productivity. What are the top trends in the HR job market? Key trends to watch for next 5 years. Increased demand for HR technology. HR professionals will need to be proficient in using HR technology to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and make better data-driven decisions. The faster we grasp and embrace it, the more advantage we will have. Growing importance of data analytics. HR professionals will need to use data analytics to identify trends, measure progress, and make informed decisions. Job roles that are expected to be in high demand in next 5 years. HR analyst. HR analysts will collect, analyze, and interpret HR data to inform business decisions. They could also play a key role about how HR can use this technology by measuring its effectiveness. In the modern human resources, the fusion of data analytics and HR practices has become indispensable. Enter HR Analytics Pro courses, designed to equip learners with the essential skills needed to thrive in this data-driven era. Among the offerings, 2 standout courses are available: Certification in HR Analytics and Predictive Modeling, and Certification in HR Analytics and Dashboarding with MS Excel. The first course, HR Analytics and Predictive Modeling, delves deep into predictive modeling techniques using Tableau and MS Azure. Through comprehensive modules, students learn how to analyze historical data to forecast future trends. This knowledge enables them to make strategic decisions based on data-driven insights. Whether it's anticipating employee turnover rates or identifying talent gaps within an organization, students emerge equipped to leverage data for informed decision-making. On the other hand, the second course, HR Analytics and Dashboarding with MS Excel, focuses on mastering the art of analytics dashboard creation using Microsoft Excel. Through hands-on training, learners acquire the skills to design dynamic visualizations that convey complex HR metrics effectively. From employee performance evaluations to recruitment analytics, students become proficient in crafting informative dashboards that facilitate swift decision-making processes. What sets these courses apart is the unique offer. Students can enroll in one course and receive the other for free. This flexibility allows learners to tailor their educational journey according to their interests and career aspirations. Whether one is drawn to predictive modeling or intrigued by analytics dashboarding in Excel, these HR Analytics Pro courses offer a pathway to upskilling and staying ahead in the competitive HR landscape. Courses links are in the description, offering learners the opportunity to unlock the power of HR analytics and propel their careers forward. What kind of work HR analysts perform? Currently, many analytics work is performed in HR. A few are really becoming popular these days. They are predictive analytics. This is based on statistics and data and becoming a very attractive career option. It helps leaders to make more strategic decisions based on facts. Data are generally presented with graphic, statistical reports and dashboards which are easy for leaders to understand. It offers leaders the ability to provide solutions to some complex decision-making processes and helps them in determining critical situations like tackling pay gaps, set of workers who are always at risk of resigning, understanding the psychographics, personality, interests, work styles, etc., of employees, behavioral qualities of applicants, and much more. Manpower. Analytics and planning is the most common systematic identification and analysis of what an organization is going to need in terms of size, type, experience, knowledge, skills, and quality of workforce for ensuring that the organization has suitable access to talent to ensure future business success. Manpower analytics. This is another common domain which is more quantitative. It helps leaders develop recruiting methods and make specific hiring decisions, optimizing organization structure, identifying quantifying factors for job satisfaction, determining the need of new departments and positions. It also helps the organization to identify, motivate, and prepare its future leaders, align and motivate the workforce, and continuously improve the way of work. Talent analytics. This is more qualitative and is basically for processes from talent management like personnel development, recruitment, succession planning, retention, etc. It can help organizations to better analyze turnover, identifying top performers, identifying gaps, and developing the proper training for them. It can also find out reasons for attrition and provide options to take strategic decisions for retention as well. Now let's discuss top 3 attributes to get into an HR analytics role. Analytical mindset. You should be naturally analytical in order to manipulate and translate a large volume of data to meaningful solutions. Systems analysis. You will need to be able to quickly understand how databases, systems, and processes work, always seeking to improve efficiencies as well as making the most of the information available. Attention to detail. As an analyst, it's vital that you're able to not only assess high-level trends, but identify the smaller issues which can potentially make a large commercial impact on the business.